Okay, we have got some problem-solving stuff right here. We've got new lines. You can see these are the AN lines that came off the car, and that's the one that came apart and made the mess at VIR. These are the new ones. These are 5,000 PSI rated crimped hose ends from Parker Store. And we're going to use these for the oil cooler and the turbo drain. And then I'm going to get those rigged up now, and then we can get the exhaust manifolds back on and the turbo back in place. We're sorting out fasteners for the manifolds, and when we took it apart, one of the bolts was actually missing the nut. It had come loose and fallen off. Exhaust bolts are a hard thing to do on a turbocharged car because things get hot and then they start moving around. You want to put anti-seize on the bolts so that they don't seize up on you, but at the same time the anti-seize makes it so stuff might back off. We are going to use Nord locks. These are a serrated washer. Serration on both sides, and they're made out of real high quality stainless, and once torqued, these Nord locks will not allow these bolts to rattle loose. They're great for high vibration. I'll be able to keep using the anti-seize so that the threads don't gall, but they will not come loose. got turbochargers mounted, oil lines are installed, the drain line's there, goes in, the exhaust is all bolted up and cinched down. I did put some of the oil in the car, and the reason we did that was the can was crushed in shipping and it was leaking. So instead of it leaking all over the floor, I emptied it into the crankcase. So next step will be getting the radiator in and filling it back up, and we need to replace this hose. It's leaking down here at the bottom. Actually kind of see the, well, that's oil. I need to take the shroud off and clean this up better. But this hose was leaking. I think it just got hot, so I'll replace that hose, and then we can get the radiator back in place, get all the tubing back in. I do have a new turbo blanket, so that'll go on soon. Moving right along.